Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Dulce. In today's video we'll do another DIY for fun. This time it will be a wreath, so stay tuned for more. The supplies you will need for the DIY wreath: you will need this wreath form from the Dollar Tree. Like everything is from the Dollar Tree, so you will need this one. You will need 4 of these mesh ribbon. So it will be 4 of these. Some ribbon that looks like this one. And this one. Some cleaning pipes or cure pipes, whatever you want to call it. Some metal words. These ones are the ones that say thankful, harvest, and welcome. Some acorns and maple leaves for decoration. Some LED lights. These ones are the leaf type of lights. And decorative bows. These ones look like burlap with maple leaves. And some hot glue. These ones I got it from Walmart. As you can see, I have started with just a little piece. I was just trying to see if I could do it. So I will show you the rest. First, you will want to have like a cleaning pipe, the one that I show you. Just cut a little piece to tie the end of the mesh. Then when you have it like that, like how I have it like this, you will want to get it all and put it in a little bunch. And with this one, you want to just insert it on the middle of the wreath, and it's so simple and easy to make, like that. Then on this side, then again, like I say, it's really easy and simple to make. Just be patient and don't rush the things. Here is how it's going to be looking. So I will do a I will speed the things up so I could finish this fast. This is how it's looking. I will put all the 4 mesh ribbons, and this ribbon I just put it like a little bit all over the place to have like a pop of color. Next, you will want to choose one of the metal words. The one that I'm using is this one. It says Vulcan, and I will hot glue it on the middle like that. And then when you hot glue that one, you will want to open the maple leaves. These maple leaves, and just choose the green and red burlap maple leaves. These ones, I'm not sure I'm going to use them. The ribbon that I didn't use on this one is this one because it's too sheer, and I will try to use this one in another project. And you will want to hot glue the maple leaves and also the acorns, because you will want to just rearrange them in every place to see first where you want it to be before gluing the stuff in. So let me do that first. Okay, this is how it's looking. I just need to hot glue every single leaf and the sign and the little acorns. And at the last, you will put the bow on the bottom and the twinkly lights on the back. But first, you will need to hot glue everything before doing that. So you'll do that at last. Here it is, already all glued up. Now I will put the ribbon burlap on the bottom in here. And the twinkly lights, that's the last thing that I would do. And I will show you the last results. Guys, this is the finished look. This is how the wreath turned out. I really love how it turned out. Let me just get back so you could see it. At night you will be able to see more the little lights that are on all over the wreath. So it will be so cute at night. And for right now I will just turn them off. Here's a little close-up look so you could see how it turned out. I'm not sure I'm going to keep the bottom bow that's there, but for right now I really love it. This is a cute fall DIY. It only cost me less than $10 doing this wreath. Sorry for the background noise, my son is awake, so he's a little bit sick. So that's it. This is it, everybody. Hopefully you like it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe.